Hello everyone, coming to the Python programming hands-on. So in this we are going to discuss about a tuple. We already discussed the previous class with a tuple to list conversion and list to tuple conversion, right? Now we are going to discuss the same thing like tuple to list conversion with a format method. This is a second method we can say it. Just we'll see how we can convert from the tuple to list. Tuple to list. This is the second method. Actually, this is using format. So here let us say there is a already have one tuple with you. Now B is equal to list of A and print your new list is, we can just give the braces, the empty braces, and dot format of B. So we'll get definitely the output is like this. Output is a new list. Yeah, yes, yeah, new list is, the same thing we can print it like this. It will be printed. Just we'll see how we can see hands on how we can work it. Okay, just open this and just see this program. Just copy this program and take the new file and save it as tuple4.py. And here Python so we can see, oh, some error is coming, right? 1 to 10 print A. Okay, I think the format, maybe the format issue. Yes, we'll see. Yeah, yeah, still we got error. um like syntax missing the parentheses in call to print. So okay, we'll give parentheses also. Yes, yeah, this is a way we can convert into the list. I think hope you enjoy. Thank you.